Welcome to Code Overflow's Tech Vlogs. In this video, we will see a useful resource for everyone regarding the documentation part of every programming language. You know that each and every programming language and everything in this programming world has a documentation and we can read through it. So it is very difficult to find each and everything and every documentation of every type of programming language from different websites. So what developers have done is they have collected all those documents and made it as a one ebook type, so we can access it from that. We will see a useful website today that helps to solve this problem, which contains all the documentation in a single API or in a single website form. So let's begin. To do this, open your browser and search for DevDocs. So here we can see devdocs.io is the website where you get the API documentation of almost 100 plus docs from all programming languages and their documentations. So click on that. Here we go. We got this DevDocs. So what is this? We can see on the left side of the panel there are some programming languages and some server languages and something else. So whatever you want, just find it in the search bar. So for example, if I want bash, I can type bash here and enable it so that I'll retrieve it on the top of the menu. Let's say I remove the search and you can see that bash came to the top. So whatever languages you are using and whatever documentation you frequently use, just enable them in the left side menu so that you will get them to the top of your menu. And let's see how to get this to desktop, because that will be more useful. So to get or to make this as a desktop shortcut, you can see a plus icon on your Chrome browser and Chromium browser. Currently I am using Chromium. I think the same works with the Chrome also. So click on the plus button and you have to install this as a web app in the desktop. So let me do this. I clicked on install and let's come back to our desktop. You can see that there is a shortcut of devdocs.io over my desktop. So let me change this icon. You can change this if you have icon pack. So that's it. In this way you can make a shortcut of this in your desktop. Let's see how we can customize more of this website. So now it is opened as a PDF type of program. So let's see what we can do and what we can modify. You have to read this entire thing if you are a first time user. So let me go to preferences. Here we can see there is dark theme also. Let me enable that. So it has nice looking dark theme, and you can also automatically download the documentation for offline use. That means once you have created that shortcut, if you want whatever languages documents in offline mode, you have to enable this so that this plugin will download the entire documentation over the internet. So I have done these changes. Let me go back. So let's browse to this. For example, I want documentation and some examples and functionality of a command named set in the bash section. So to get that, just go to the search bar and search for set. And you can see that there is a tiny logo over there showing the bash logo. If you want, the browser shortcuts will also apply over here. You can use Ctrl+ to zoom the web page as I have done. So let's see, there are many set commands in other languages also and some other uses. So I want the bash one, so I use the same icon as bash and use the set command so that I could filter out the results. So here we can see the set command and its usage format and its definition, and you can see the flags over here and their explanation for how to use that. In this way you can best utilize without consuming time to search for entire things on the Stack Overflow or the internet. I hope you found this resource useful. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more of this type of content. Till then, watch my other playlists. Thank you.